Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how we make this house sign. So this is a number 10 house sign, something a bit different, obviously not your standard. This is CNC plasma cut on our table and then finished on a piece of wood. It's actually just two scaffold boards screwed together and stained up, so nothing too crazy. But yeah, let's get into it and I'll show you how you make it. So, as you can see, we've got our part loaded. We're now going to prepare the machine for cutting. So we're going to enable our machine. We're going to check we've got the compressor fully built up, so we've got enough air pressure. We're going to ensure the table's in the correct position, load material, and yeah, prepare for the cutting. So this is a stage before getting the part off the table. So we load the G code, create our file, prepare the machine, and then run the part. So I'll show you how we do that now. Right, so the hard bit of the job, loading the material onto the table. So we're going to stick a 3mm sheet. I've actually got a full sheet, so it's 1250 by 1250. So that's the max capacity for this table. So we get them sheared in that size because they drop straight on. It's nice and convenient for us. But no, I'm going to load that sheet on and then, yeah, we'll get cracking with it. So before we start cutting, I thought I'd give a quick overview of the table so you guys got an idea of what we're using to cut this part and all of the parts that we make here. This is a Swift cut table. It's a 4-foot table. We use a PowerMax, Hypertherm PowerMax 45. So this can cut up to 12mm steel, 12mm mild steel. We do 10mm aluminium, stainless steel. But yeah, that's a quick overview of the table. We've got a 200 litre compressor at the back of the workshop, so that feeds the table with an inline filter as well, just to get clean air to it. But that's an overview of the table. This is what we use to cut our parts. So yeah, I'll show you some more how we run it and make the part we're doing today. So it looks like we're about ready to cut this part. We've got the material on the table, the 3mm steel, the G code's loaded, our 0 has been set, so our XY0 to start in this corner, and we've also referenced the Z height. So that's letting the torch know how close it is to the table, or essentially where that plate is. So that's all been set. Our compressor's built up, so the only thing to do is hit the start button and let it cut. go. That's the part cut out. Looks like it's come out nice. A little bit of clean up, but yeah. So guys, this is the metal part cut. Just run that on the table. As you see, cleaned it up. To finish this up, I'm going to stick it on a backing plate, so a nice piece of wood. As mentioned, this is a gift for someone, so it's going to be used as well, it's a house sign, so it's going to go on someone's, not front door, beside the front door or a front gate. So we're going to plan is to leave it raw. I think I'm going to lacquer it, leave it with that industrial look that's kind of in at the moment. I think it'll contrast against a nice bit of wood, a stained piece of wood. So yeah, next clip's going to be finding some wood and cutting that to size and then fixing this onto it. So since putting these two pieces of wood together, these two scaffold boards, I've had the edges routed off just to give it a nice clean finish, and I've also, if I flip this over, we've put some straps on the back. This is just to stop it pulling apart, and as it's going to be outside, it's going to warp, it's going to move about. This is just going to hold it together, keep it solid. But my plan now, it's been planed off so it's pretty smooth, but I want to give it some varnish, and then I'm going to mock up where this is going to sit, something like that. But I think I'm going to put some standoffs, so machine some standoffs for it just so it sits slightly raised. But no, let's get this stained up and then move on to the standoffs. drill the holes in the sign, just drops it through on the pillar drill. All that's left to do now is position this where I want. I'll take spaces out, mark the holes, and then just going to drill into that. So I've got a pilot for my screw. I'm going to put some nice cap-head screws in this to give it that sort of industrial look. But drop some screws in it and then, yeah, see what it looks like. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. It's been a pleasure as always filming this and showing you guys how we make it. If it's something you're interested in or you want to build one yourself but you want this part cut, hit us up, we can design it, cut it, ship it out to you, that's no problem. But yeah, drop a like if you're feeling kind and the subscribe button if you want to see some more. But I'll see you guys in the next one.